Welcome to Compare to Win. The best hypoallergenic detergent is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in maintaining a healthy and comfortable living environment, especially for those with sensitive skin, allergies, or respiratory issues, as it directly impacts the cleanliness and safety of the fabrics we wear and use daily, making its selection a crucial decision for overall well-being and peace of mind in our homes. Number 5. Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets Fragrance-Free. Introducing a revolutionary way to do laundry. These sheets tackle tough stains and odors, leaving your clothes fresh and clean after every wash. Say goodbye to bulky plastic jugs. Our compact sheets are perfect for home or travel, simplifying your laundry routine with no mess or waste. Formulated with sensitive skin in mind, these hypoallergenic sheets are free from harsh chemicals and residues, ensuring a gentle clean for your family. We are proud to manufacture our laundry sheets in the USA, using high-quality ingredients sourced responsibly. With every purchase, you help us donate detergent to those in need. Join us in making a difference, one load at a time. Enjoy a truly clean scent without any added fragrances. These sheets leave your laundry smelling naturally fresh and crisp. What we like. If you're looking for a truly scent-free experience, this is the one. It's designed to be gentle on sensitive skin and eliminates harsh chemical residues. If you prioritize a clean scent profile and eco-friendly, mess-free packaging, you should consider this option. What people say. This detergent is effective at removing stains. It is gentle on sensitive skin and does not cause irritation. The detergent has a mild, pleasant scent. Number 4. Ecos Laundry Detergent Liquid, Magnolia Lily. Experience a powerful clean that's kind to your skin. Our dermatologist-tested formula is hypoallergenic and perfect for sensitive skin. Feel good about your laundry routine. This detergent is pH balanced, climate positive, and made in a zero-waste facility using renewable energy. Choose a product that aligns with your values. It's 100% vegan and cruelty-free, offering enough detergent for 200 loads. Unlike conventional detergents, this formula is free from parabens and phosphates. It's safer for your family and the environment. Proudly made in the USA with globally sourced ingredients. Trust in a product crafted with care and expertise. This product is EPA Safer Choice certified, meaning it performs well and uses ingredients safer for you and the planet. Support a company with a mission. Ecos is proudly Black-owned and woman-led, committed to creating effective and safe products. What we like. If you have a large family or do a lot of laundry, this offers incredible value with 200 loads per pack. It's also certified by EPA Safer Choice, meaning it's better for both your health and the environment. If you're seeking a powerful, plant-based detergent that's kind to sensitive skin and the planet, this is a great choice. What people say. This detergent is formulated to be gentle on sensitive skin, reducing the risk of irritation and allergic reactions. It effectively removes stains and odors without the use of harsh chemicals, dyes, or artificial fragrances. The detergent is biodegradable and eco-friendly, making it a responsible choice for consumers concerned about environmental impact. Number 3. Ecos Laundry Detergent Liquid. Introducing ECOS Laundry Detergent, a powerful yet gentle cleaning solution for your clothes. It's dermatologist-tested and hypoallergenic, making it perfect for sensitive skin. This plant-powered formula is pH balanced and kind to the planet. It's EPA Safer Choice certified, ensuring it's better for both you and the environment. Get enough detergent for 100 loads of laundry with this vegan and cruelty-free option. It's an ideal choice for conscious households. Unlike conventional detergents, this formula is free from parabens and phosphates. It won't pollute water when it enters the ecosystem. Proudly made in the USA with globally sourced ingredients, this detergent offers clean formulas with visible results. It has earned the Safer Choice certification, meaning it performs well and contains ingredients safer for human health and the environment. This product comes from ECOS, a company that is proudly Black-owned and woman-led, committed to creating safer, powerful products. What we like. If you prefer a fragrance-free option but don't need as many loads as the larger pack, this is perfect. It maintains the same dermatologist-tested, hypoallergenic, and EPA Safer Choice benefits. If you have sensitive skin and want a clear, effective detergent without any added scents, this is a solid pick. What people say. This doesn't cause any reaction, as good as baby detergent. This detergent works well even for washing undergarments for family members who have been prone to contact dermatitis and allergies. Cleans well with no heavy scent and residue. Number 2. Poesie Laundry Detergent Sheets Fresh Scent. Get 160 pre-measured laundry detergent sheets, perfect for any load size. This means 160 small loads or 80 large loads, all in recyclable packaging. Using them is simple: 1 sheet for small loads, 2 for large, and 4 for extra large. This ensures you use just the right amount, preventing waste and saving resources. Though concentrated into a small sheet, they pack a powerful cleaning punch. They dissolve instantly in water, leaving your clothes fresh, clean, and comfortable. Forget heavy plastic jugs. These lightweight laundry tablets are easy to carry, making them ideal for your home, dorm, or travel adventures without any pollution. Tired of sticky hands and messy spills from liquid detergent? With these sheets, you can say goodbye to the mess. Keep your hands and washing machine clean and dry. Enjoy a fresh scent with every wash. Our hypoallergenic formula is gentle on clothes and skin, providing a thorough clean without harsh chemicals. What we like. If you're tired of messy liquid detergents and bulky jugs, these sheets are a game changer. They dissolve instantly and are incredibly easy to use, making laundry simple for home, dorm, or travel. If you value convenience, a clean washing experience, and a compact solution, you should definitely try this. What people say. This brand did not cause me to break out even when I was washing in a sink, which I like a lot. The lightweight design makes them easy to travel to and from my apartment to the laundry room, without having to worry about spills of any kind from this detergent, because they're made into sheets and are not loose or liquid. I like these sheets, because there's no measuring when it comes to putting them into the washer, and the sheets dissolve all the way, leaving no residue on my clothes. Number 1. Sudstainables Laundry Detergent Sheets. Introducing Sudstainables Laundry Detergent Sheets, a revolutionary way to do laundry. Experience powerful cleaning in a compact, eco-friendly format. Don't let its size fool you. These sheets pack a powerful punch, leaving your clothes incredibly fresh and clean with safe, effective ingredients. Say goodbye to plastic waste and hello to a cleaner planet. Our packaging is space-saving and eliminates harmful plastics from our oceans. Simply toss a sheet into your wash. It dissolves completely in water, working perfectly in any standard washing machine for a hassle-free clean. Formulated without harsh chemicals like parabens, phosphates, bleach, or dyes, our detergent is safe for sensitive skin and approved for kids. Enjoy the convenience of powerful cleaning that fits anywhere. These sheets are perfect for home use and ideal for travelers who don't want to compromise on clean. What we like. If you're committed to a zero-waste lifestyle and want a detergent that's safe for the whole family, including kids, this is ideal. It offers powerful cleaning without harsh chemicals like parabens or phosphates. If you need a space-saving, eco-conscious, and gentle detergent, this is a fantastic option. What people say. This detergent is very effective at removing stains. It is gentle on sensitive skin and does not cause irritation. The detergent has a light, pleasant scent that is not overpowering. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.